For 500 trading days in a row, I recorded my screen, every session, start to finish. I did it because I believed I had a strategy problem and I wanted the evidence. This is not what I found. Hi, my name is Sam. I lost money for years before I made any. I am 10 years in now, 7 figures out of the market. I make these videos for people still stuck in that first part. So back to the recordings. I'm going to show you how I did it, which cost nothing and takes about 2 minutes to set up. Then what I found in the trades, and then when I found that I had nothing to do with the trades at all. That last part is the reason I still think about this, and it was not on the chart anywhere. Here is a setup because I want you to be able to do this tonight. I used YouTube Live. I created an account and I streamed my screen, set the stream to private and let it record. It's free, it stores every session for you, and you end up with a timestamp video of your whole trading day without buying any software. I recorded my screen, my microphone, and my webcam. The webcam is the one that mattered most, actually, and I almost did not bother with it. Then I started watching them back. And within a few sessions, I had a problem. The trader on the screen was not the trader I believed I was. I had written strategy. I could recite it. In my head, I had been following it for years. On the recordings, I was barely trading it at all. 4 things over and over. First, I was overtrading. Not a couple of extra trades, far more than my plan allowed, almost every single day. Second, I was moving my stop loss. On a long, I would drag it down. On a short, I would push it up. Every time I did that, I was deleting the only line that protected me. Then, the averaging down. Adding to a position that was already losing and calling it conviction. And when I was in the red, I revenge traded. I stopped trying to trade well and started trying to get back to zero. That is a spiral and it only goes one way. And the green days were not safe either. When I was up, I got greedy. I overtraded and I gave the whole day back. Some of my worst sessions started as my best ones. And then there was the part I did not plan for. I had the microphone running and the webcam. So I did not just have a record of my trades, I had a record of me. I watched myself arguing with the screen. I watched my own face over the course of a session, and it was not the face of somebody running a business. Some of those recordings were genuinely hard to sit through. That is the part nobody puts in a trading video, and it's the part that actually explains the other 4. So here is what 500 days of tape taught me. I did not have a strategy problem. My strategy was fine. I was not running it. And I could never have worked that out from my results because results tell you what happened. They do not tell you what you did. You cannot fix what you cannot see, and the tape does not negotiate with you. So record tomorrow's session, just one. You don't even have to watch it for a week if you don't want to, but record it. If you like this video, subscribe, give a thumb up, I appreciate it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.